Unveiling the beauty, the shimmer of dawn. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and poetic phrase that captures the essence of the early morning, the shimmer of dawn. This phrase is not just a description of a time of day, but a poetic expression that evokes imagery, emotion, and a sense of new beginnings. Let's explore what makes this phrase so special and how it can enrich your English language learning journey. The shimmer of dawn combines two key words, shimmer and dawn. To fully appreciate this phrase, we need to understand each word and how they come together to paint a vivid picture. Shimmer refers to a soft, faint, or subtle light that seems to slightly move or change when you look at it. It's often associated with reflections on water, the twinkling of stars, or the gentle glow of a candle. The word conveys a sense of beauty, gentleness, and tranquility. Dawn is the time of day when light first appears in the sky before the sun rises. It marks the end of night and the beginning of a new day. Dawn is often associated with new beginnings, hope, and the promise of a fresh start. When combined, the shimmer of dawn evokes the image of the early morning light's gentle glow. It's a moment of peace, beauty, and potential that marks the start of a new day. Dawn is a powerful symbol in literature and everyday language. It represents new beginnings, hope, and the start of a new chapter in life. When we talk about the shimmer of dawn, we're not just describing a time of day. We're invoking the feeling of optimism and the potential for what the new day brings. This phrase can be used metaphorically to describe any moment of new opportunity or renewal. It's a reminder that after the darkness of night, there is always the light of dawn, a fresh start or a chance to see things in a new light. Understanding and using phrases like the shimmer of dawn can add depth and beauty to your English communication. Here are some tips on how to incorporate this phrase into your language. 1. Descriptive writing. Use it to set the scene in stories or descriptive essays to evoke a sense of peace, hope, or new beginnings. 2. Metaphorical use. Employ it metaphorically to talk about new phases in life, opportunities, or moments of change. 3. Poetry and creative expression. This phrase is perfect for poetry or any form of creative writing that aims to evoke imagery and emotion. We hope this exploration of the shimmer of dawn has illuminated its beauty and depth for you. It's phrases like these that enrich our language and allow us to express ourselves more vividly and poetically. Remember, every day brings a new dawn, filled with opportunities for learning and growth. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to uncovering more treasures of the English language together. Keep exploring, and see you in the next video.